Right, so what did we get? Was it a Tralexus? Nah. Was it an Armour? Nah. A Lozzie? Nah. Let's have a look. Right.
Team Associated Rival MT10.
Well, hey, it's tiny. It is so small, and that is meant to be a 1/10. Drop it on the floor, get the max out, put it beside it, and let's get a comparison. Sure. That is the size difference when I'm out of the shadow. Dump, dump, dump. But I must say, from looking at it last night and changing the connector, the quality is very good for a cheap as chips 1/10 monster truck. Consider it was only 250 quid.
Yeah.
And when you think the max is 610 now. Yep. Right. First time. Are we looking forward to it?
I am. Definitely.
But I thought you said you like big toys and you got a little one.
But I like it.
That's fair enough. And just for a little bit of a comparison, we're going to put it against the Express. Now when we start, this is running 2S at the moment. Just so she can get used to it. But it's on its wheels. How you find it so far?
Good.
Turn right?
Yeah, it turns out I rolled it once, but not too bad.
So did I. Right. Oh, nice. Well, I must say, guys, so far from watching the Team Associated MT10, it's only on 2S at the moment, but it looks pretty fun. If I'm lucky, I may even get to have a go later. See, size isn't always everything. Nice. Holy poly. Oh, nicely done. Lovely, lovely. Carry on at this rate, well, we're going to have to buy you a faster car. What was that?
I love it. It's cool.
Gets the Russell seal of approval, does it?
Yeah.
May have to do the old pump track tomorrow then. That will be it. Right, remember guys, this is just a shakedown, just to make sure she likes it. We will be doing a proper review on it, hitting the skate park, pump track, putting it up against the max, and maybe a couple other 1/10s at the end of the week. Could something new be coming to the channel? We shall see. Wow.